Hello everybody and welcome to this brand new Django course, Build with Django, Web Development for Beginners. I am Jason Joshi, and over the next few lessons, I will be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of web development using Django. Whether you are just starting your programming journey or you already know Python and want to take the next step, this course is designed to help you build real working web applications step by step. Now, these videos are a part of CodeChef's structured Django course, and you can follow them at your own pace and get hands-on practice as we go along. So if you are ready, let's get started. Now, what exactly is Django? Django is a high-level web framework built on Python that lets you build powerful and secure web applications quickly without reinventing the wheel. Now, why Django? Django handles a lot of the heavy lifting for you, like URL routing, database management, user authentication, templates, and more, so that you can focus on building features that matter. Now, companies like Instagram, Pinterest, Mozilla Firefox, and many more use Django. So you are learning a framework that is battle-tested and used in real-world production. Alright, now let's see what we are going to cover in this course. First, we start with introduction and project structure. We'll start by setting up Django, understanding how project is structured in Django, and running our first server. Then we move to core Django fundamentals like views and URLs. Here, we will dive into how Django handles web requests through views and URLs. Now, this is the backbone of any Django project. Next, we will come to templates and static content. We will make our apps look better by adding templates, HTML pages, and static files like CSS and images. After that, we will be moving to data modeling, where we will learn to use Django's powerful ORM to define models and work with databases without writing raw SQL. Then we'll come to forms, validations, and user interactions. We'll see how to create forms, validate user input, and build interactive pages. And then we will move to user authentication and authorization. We'll implement login, logout, sign up, and permissions so that we can create secure applications with user accounts. And finally, we also have two capstone projects where we will bring it all together and build complete working Django applications, putting into practice all that you have learned. Now, by the end of this course, you will be confident to build and deploy fully fledged Django web applications from scratch. So get ready to code, experiment, and build. And remember, after each lesson, head over to the CodeChef platform and try out the exercises yourself. That's where the real learning happens. Alright, I will see you in the next video where we will get started with our very first lesson.